Hey everyone, welcome to Internet is Awesome, where you can get all free if you know where and how to get it. So today I'm going to show you how to create image to PDA. For that, you just have to go to browser and just type I love India. Oh, that's all. Okay, we are selecting path and yeah, here we are. Here we have I love PDF. Obviously, yeah. Now there are lots of options, so I don't want that. What I'll do, I'll just say image to PDF. And ta-da! Okay, where is that? Ta-da! Yes. Now let's say we are going to JPG to PDF. I'm just going to click on that side. I'll be just selecting the images I want. Now, why we are wanting that? Because, some government website or some scholarship website, we want our documents to be submitted as a PDF. That's why we are creating image to PDF. Okay. Yeah. Selecting JPG image. Now, let's see what we have. We have a Dora, Shinchan, whatever you want. Selecting Dora. Now I got it. Can you see I love PDF? I love PDF. Hola, Theodora. Okay, now enough. So, according to PDF, I do have one. I can add one more. I think let's add one more. Yep, that's one more. Yeah, I add one more. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's really cute. Now I want to arrange it like this. I will arrange it like this, first, second, and third. Yeah, and then I just convert the PDF and ta-da! Yeah, that's it. Okay, now I've been downloading it. Okay, that's it. Let's see, it's movies. I don't want that. Let's just download it over my only crop download from the phone. Well, let's just download any pictures. Yes. What call this? Called just unlock PDF. I'll be renaming it to whatever one. About PDF, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. And Ghost. Hang on. And I can just open it. Ta-da! Once again. Ta-da! Okay, yeah, we got it. So now that's an easy thing, right? And you can just download it and it will work. Yeah, that's how you create an image to PDF. See you on next time. Bye-bye.